Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to disable your profile visibility on the LinkedIn app for PC with the latest update. If you've been looking for a way to keep your information private or limit what others can see, this guide will make the process simple and clear. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once the application is running, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Me icon, which gives you access to your personal settings and profile controls. Click on that to get started. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the option that says View Profile. This will take you directly to your own LinkedIn page, where you can see how your professional information currently appears to others. Now, on the top section of your profile, you'll notice the option called Public Profile and URL. Right next to it, there's a small Edit icon. Click on that Edit icon. This is where all the settings related to your public profile are located. Once inside, you'll see a variety of options that allow you to control exactly what parts of your information show up when people who aren't connected to you visit your profile. At the very top of these settings, you will find the toggle switch labeled Your Profile's Public Visibility. By default, it's usually turned on so that your LinkedIn page can be found and displayed publicly. To disable your visibility, simply toggle that switch off. When this is done, your profile will no longer be visible to people outside of LinkedIn, or even to those inside if they don't have permission to connect. This gives you full control over your professional presence and ensures that your personal details are kept private. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, opening the app, clicking on the Me icon, viewing your profile, selecting the Edit option near Public Profile and URL, and toggling off your profile's visibility, you've disabled your public presence on LinkedIn with the new update. Taking this step is especially useful if you want more privacy, want to pause your activity temporarily, or simply prefer keeping your professional information hidden.